Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 and you keep getting this error, get an app to open this and then you'll get an error like this, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 easily. So first off, you're going to go ahead and open up the Xbox app on your computer. So just open up the Xbox app and now you're going to look for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 Beta in Beta Pack 1. If you can find it in here, then good, but if you can't, then you're going to open up your web browser. And then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. Now here what you're going to do is you're just going to click install on it. And once you click install, now you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on to Beta Pack 1 then. And then you're just going to install Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 Beta Pack 1 as well. After you've installed both of those, now you're going to close out the Xbox app from your computer. And then you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now you're going to open up the Xbox app, but make sure to run it as administrator. Now when you go on to your library and try to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4, you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.